Hi, I'm Rishit Barua. I'm a car fanatic and I love to discuss about cars. Today I'm going to tell you about a sports car whose name is BMW M8 Competition. The M8 Competition is X-Drive, or you can say 4-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, whatever you wish. So it's all-wheel drive. If you put it into M2 or you click the M1 button twice, it will go to 2-wheel drive, which means rear-wheel drive. So you can do like skids if you want to be a hooligan. Yeah, and you have a 10-inch touchscreen. It's BMW's latest system. And you get Apple CarPlay, but for some reason you don't have Android Auto. Like you can't use any Vivo, Oppo, Samsung, OnePlus, whatever, because they believe that Apple phones are better than Android. You have dual tone leather interior. You can also upgrade from single tone. It has many colors. If you want, you have white, you have red, you have black, you have a tan color, something like that, orange. Now I'm going to tell you about the good things about the M8 Competition. First is you get M buttons, M1 and M2, as you get in the M5 Competition and in the normal M5. You can also control all the chassis, brake, even brakes, engine, exhaust, steering from the touchscreen, or either clicking on those M1, M2 buttons, and the 4-wheel drive system. If you want to be a hooligan, okay, if you want to be naughty boy, then you can disengage the 4-wheel drive system to rear-wheel drive so that you can do skids. The third is